Welcome to Lawft. Lawft is your one-stop shop for everything related to your case. When you're added to Lawft, you're going to receive a series of emails. The first time you're logging in, it's important to go to that very first email because it includes your username and your temporary password. You're going to use that username, which is your email address, and the temporary password from that first email to log into Lawft for the first time. You can click on the link to do so. Once you have put in your temporary password and it prompts you for the new password, which you'll create on your own, it'll then take you to a page where you can upload your photo so we can get to know you better. Once you're at the dashboard, you'll see your case name displayed at the top. If you have multiple cases, there will be a drop down to get to the appropriate case. The case details get populated as we get more information about your case. Below that's the agenda of upcoming events that could include court settings or meetings with us. And to the right, you have the billing card with the invoices as well as the payment requests. Messages include recent messages and files include recent files. At the top, you'll see another menu where you can get to various modules. So under files, you'll see we have this engagement letter that's been sent. Pending a signature, you can go into the pencil icon to sign the document, but you also have the ability to go into the email that requested your signature, click Start Signing, and you can do that without ever logging into Lawft. Back in Lawft, you can see a calendar, which will show you your upcoming events or settings, messages, which include messages with team members that you can go into, reply to, and of course, use the button at the top to toggle between read statuses or the button at the bottom to reply. In the billing screen, you'll see payment requests as well as invoices. Back on the dashboard, you'll see there are two buttons at the top. Send message and upload file are available to you as quick access buttons. You can also upload files through the file section. Either way, when you click on upload file, you're going to get this sidebar that says you can either click and add files or you can drag and drop files into that window, upload, and then those files become available to all of your team. You can also click the send message button there on the dashboard, or of course go into the messages tab and use the send message button there. If you ever have questions about how to use Lawft, don't hesitate to send us a message and we'll walk you through any questions you have.